Ooh! Oh, okay. I've just seen what's in here. Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? How are you coping? Lockdown version 2, girl. It's a lot to take in, isn't it? Whew. So today guys, I'm going to be unboxing a mystery bag from Doll Beauty, which is a UK brand. And they launched these bags a few weeks ago, so kind of late in the game, but I kind of thought it would still be fun because mystery bags is a mystery. I'm also going to be kind of giving you guys a bit of a life update as to what's going on and what's going on my channel at the end as well. So stick around if you're here for that as well. Now, it's in here and the deal was £10 for, I think it was you pay £10 basically for this. It's really affordable, which I think is quite good, especially when you consider it's £10 for 5 products. You can see my cat's been trying to open this and eat it. If you're wondering as well, background is different. Yes, I am in the new house. We recently just moved house. So yeah, I'm in the new house and I have loads and loads of videos coming up from this. So if you're wondering why the background's different, it's the new house. Anyway, let's get into this. So I've been dying to open this as well, like literally dying. But I thought, no, I'm not going to open it. I'm going to keep it for our YouTube channel. Ooh! Oh, okay. I've just seen what's in here. I literally have no idea. So, really cute. They actually give you the Doll Beauty bag. Oh, this is cute. That's really sweet. I haven't actually seen these bags. Why am I so amazed by a bag? I haven't actually seen these bags before. I can remember when Doll Beauty was teeny weeny weeny and I first discovered their highlighters in Topshop. Yeah, it was in Topshop and it was such a small brand and it's grown and grown and gone from strength to strength. I really do enjoy their products. So I've never really seen them in Topshop or ordered from them online. And when I bought the highlighter from Topshop, they obviously didn't have all this extra branding. So I think this is really cool for company growth and also just seeing them grow. I think that's awesome. So there we go. Anyways, let's get into what we got. So, we got some little love hearts here. Excuse my nails. Girl, I got no nails as well. So we got love hearts. And then we got a Doll Beauty Eyelash Curler. So we've got the eyelash curler. And it says the eyelash curler is actually £12 alone. So, oh, that's so cute. Look here, you can see up close. It says Doll Beauty across here. And look, the little clamps are hearts. That's so sweet. Okay. I haven't used an eyelash curler in a hot minute, so this will be fun to play with. We've got a pair of lashes. These are in the shade Alice. Excuse me? I can't believe that there's only one eyelash in this. What? Did they not check this? Well, that's a bit disappointing. Okay. There is another pair of lashes in here as well. These are called, I can't believe there's only one pair of eyelashes. I mean, I can't really complain because I'm getting such a saving, but what am I going to do with that? Cut it in half. I could put it on the ends, I guess. These lashes are in Sandy. These ones, girl. These ones, girl. So these are here. They're like nice and wispy. Because obviously, I mean, it can happen to anyone. And then I also have two more things. So empty, garbage. We got a pair of tweezers. Okay, so they come like this. Got a pair of tweezers. Again, these were £8. I think these are gold. They are cute. I wonder if these are lash tweezers. I don't actually own any lash tweezers, so yeah, actually I will use these. And then I got a lipstick and double booked in this, like this. The packaging is very like, I think this is like left over from, if you can see, there's like, yeah, my nails are terrible. There's like marks all over it. I think these are from the shop, you know, from like the shop floor. And this is in the shade Double Booked. I recently bought 3 of their lipsticks as well, and I don't think I got this shade. No, I didn't get this shade. Double Booked. So Double Booked is like this. It's actually really similar to what I have on now. The lipstick I'm wearing now is by MAC. Let me see, I have it here because I knew some of you was going to ask. So the lipstick I have is by MAC. It's called Burnt Spice, and it's in this tube here. Let's put some of this on top of the Double Booked. It's literally the same colour, which I quite like. Ooh. Cute, I like it. Happy about that. So technically, this was all, so I think the lipsticks are £10. So 10. So basically, sorry, doing maths in my head. Everything that I received, minus the one eyelash, is worth £50. So you're technically getting quite a lot of product for free. I wonder if they were doing it to maybe shift some stock that's kind of been lying around, that's been hanging around maybe. I'm not sure. But it's really good savings still. And I mean, regardless of this issue, I feel as well it's a little bit too late to contact them now, because to be honest, it's about 3-4 weeks since I purchased, so I'll take the loss, I'll take the L, because I didn't open it straight away and I already made a saving, so I don't want to be like that pissy kind of customer. There's DIY work going on all over the house. I'm going to put these on and we're going to see what these look like. So let's take them out. And these are in the shade Sandy. Oh, these are nice. Do you know what? I can't use tweezers to do eyelashes. What do you guys use? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you use tweezers or do you use your fingers? I've just always used my fingers. So I feel that because I always use my fingers, anything else just feels foreign. And I normally will use my nails kind of as tweezers. Oh. So maybe because I do that, it's kind of like I am using tweezers, but I'm not. They're just not on, they're not on the ends of my fingers. So I'm using the Duo Eyelash Glue. It's the one with it's called Quick Set Strip. So this is the eyelashes on. This is not normally a style that I would pick. Like, I wouldn't normally choose this kind of, it's not wispy because it has long, short, but I kind of like it. What do you guys think? It's different for me. Gosh, my hair is, I've just had a shower and washed my hair, so it's all fluffy, McDuffy, but this is fine. And I'm pretty sure my dad is going to start drilling in about 10 seconds. So, girl, it's really sticky. Do you know what I'm going to say to you though? This glue, the Duo Quick Set in white clear, I don't like this. It's so difficult. I prefer the actual latex Duo. So if anybody's wondering what eyelash glue I use, I do not recommend this one. So yeah, I mean, it's kind of a deal. All the stuff from Dot Beauty is kind of a deal, I'm not even gonna lie. Disappointed about the one eyelash thing, whatever, it's a mistake, things happen. I should have opened my package earlier so that I could have checked it and then contacted them. Whatever, it's fine. Is this a British thing that we don't like to complain? I don't get it. Either way, thank you for watching. So if any of you have been on my channel for a while, you will know that we were moving house and I was doing all the packing and the moving and the prepping and everything, and girl, we are in the new house finally. And we've been here for, I think it's coming up to nearly 4 weeks. No, like 2, what am I saying? I think it's been, let me check this. Yeah, we've been in the house now. Now it's about 5 weeks. So it's kind of a long time, kind of not a long time actually. I guess it's really still quite fresh. So this is why I kind of dropped off my channel a little bit. Moving was so stressful. I've been returned back to work full time, working basically nearly 50 hours a week. It was crazy post-lockdown. It was crazy. We were crazy busy. Of course, now we're back in lockdown. But I'm thinking that now that we've moved and everything, I'm going to make sure that I'm creating time to create content and things. I've been filming lots of videos about makeovers, so bedroom makeover. I filmed the moving day, so I did like a whole vlog for this as well, which will be fun. So I'm going to edit, I'm going to put this, excuse me, this video has obviously gone live now, but I'm going to be editing the other videos over the next few days, and I'm going to subsequently upload them and you will see them, I guess. Part of me was kind of thinking, are people even going to be interested in these kind of vlogs? Like, are they even going to really care? I wasn't really sure. But do you know what? I feel sometimes if you think something's boring or you don't think it's good enough, you should put it out anyway. You should push yourself beyond your comfort zone. This is what I'm going to do. Yeah, I mean, things are coming along. Like this week, hopefully we should get the floor put in this room. I've already been working on it big time to make it into a princess palace instead of a white blank box. So yeah, these videos will be coming really, really soon. I just want to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and kind of being around, because I definitely have increased in subscribers recently and it's appreciated. And I just want to say thanks for coming, I guess. And you know, it's kind of a big deal. I feel like getting this many subscribers or people who want to watch my videos, it's like wow. Honestly, oh gosh, you dropped my mirror. It's literally wow, because it just shows that, I don't know what it shows. Well, I guess it's just wow to me, because I'm just so grateful for everyone. And I'm not gonna lie, it's been really hard. You know, I've been feeling just lack of motivation to do anything and everything recently. But today I pushed myself, I shoved myself in that shower, I washed my hair, I put on makeup and I came on camera. So it feels good to be here filming and communicating with you guys, because I've missed sitting down filming. I've missed making these kind of videos and communicating with you guys through the comments, and just, I don't know, it feels good, it feels normal, I feel good again in a way to be back on camera. So yeah, I don't know guys, I'm talking a load of shit now. I'm just gonna shut my mouth because I'm just blah 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 blah. Either way, thank you so much as always guys for hanging around, and I will see you all very very soon. Take care of yourselves, and remember, it's okay to just chill during quarantine. You don't have to push yourself every day to do something every second of the day. Remember to take some time out and chill and have a break for yourself, because what? You deserve it. Take care guys. See you soon. Mwah!